How to unpublish any published n8n workflow. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this quick and short tutorial, I'm gonna tell you how you can unpublish any particular published workflow. So for that, the first thing that we will need to do is simply launch our n8n instance. Since I use n8n locally, I have launched my local n8n instance. Now, within this instance, click onto this overview option and then click on workflows. Then find any particular published workflow. So as you can see right here under the workflows, this particular workflow is currently published. So in order to unpublish this, click onto these three dots over the name and then choose this unpublish option at the last. Once I do this, it will say this will prevent all production executions to this workflow until you publish again. So if you wish to continue, click on to unpublish and this workflow will be successfully unpublished. So that's all for this particular tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.